Are you struggling to choose the right social media platform for your business? With an array of platforms, each with its own unique features and audience, it can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, we'll guide you through an 8-step process to help you find your perfect match. Firstly, ask yourself, who is my target audience? You need to go where your audience congregates. Understanding the demographics of your audience, such as their age, gender, location, and interests, can assist you in choosing a platform where they are most active. Secondly, what are my core business goals? Different platforms excel at different things. If your goal is to increase brand awareness, visually rich platforms like Instagram or YouTube might be the way to go. For lead generation, LinkedIn or Facebook might be more suitable. Thirdly, consider what type of content do I plan to create. The nature of your content can dictate the choice of platform. If you're planning to create long-form video content, YouTube might be your best bet. If you're into short updates and engagements, Twitter could be the platform for you. Fourthly, what is my content capacity? Understanding your resources for creating content, such as time, skills, and budget, will help you choose a platform that aligns with your content production capabilities. Next, investigate what is the competition doing. Analyzing where your competitors are most successful can provide insights into where your industry's audience is most engaged. Sixth, get to grips with how the platform's algorithms work. Each social media platform has a unique algorithm that can affect how your content is seen. Understanding these can help you optimize your posts for better engagement and reach. Seventh, delve into what analytics and tools does the platform offer. Platforms that offer comprehensive analytics and integration capabilities can provide deeper insights into audience behavior and campaign performance. Finally, reflect on what platform fits with my expertise, skills, and interest. This will ensure you can consistently produce the best content over the long term. In summary, choosing the right social media platform for your business involves understanding your audience, your goals, the type of content you plan to create, your content capacity, your competition, the platform's algorithms, the analytics and tools it offers, and most importantly, what platform suits your skills and interests. Finding the right social media platform may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way to making an informed decision that could elevate your business to new heights. Look in the description box below to download your free business plan and cash flow forecast templates. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all the best on your journey to find your perfect social media platform match.